Hello dear traders, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing very well and your trading is doing even better. So it's Monday today, a new week, a new opportunities for trading, and this is the recap of my day trading for today. But before we will start, unfortunately I was not able to upload a video of the day trading of Friday, but those who are subscribed to my Instagram page, which will be in the description down below, please go and subscribe, because sometimes we will have a situation where I'm not able to upload a video. It takes time, but you will be able to see first what were the results, no matter what, in the Instagram page. So I really recommend you to go subscribe there and have the information before it is uploaded on YouTube. So now, without further ado, let's start. So I will start, of course, with the recap of Friday. So on Friday, I had only one trade, which was on USD Mexican peso. That was unfortunately a losing one. So the trade was for short. As you see, we're still in USD Mexican peso. We're in this downtrend range, a huge one on the 4-hour. Even if you will go on the daily chart, you will see this range forming, and we're still inside of it. But again, on Friday I had a really good, in my opinion, it was a good opportunity to short the market, which was actually not a bad idea, because at the end it ended going short. But unfortunately, I've entered too early, and actually I was stopped out like in half an hour. So I had a loss of 34 pips on this trade. Now, am I disappointed? Of course not. I mean, it was only one trade. It was based on the strategy that I'm using, and it happens. You cannot be always correct, and you just need to be okay with that and go on. So that's basically what I did. I had only one trade, and Red Friday, it's okay. It's part of the game. So now let's go to the trades that I had today. So in the description of the video, you saw that I'm up 40 pips. Now I'm up 40 pips at the moment that I'm recording this video, and it is now my time. It's 70:40, and London time it is 40 minutes past 3 p.m. so 15:40 p.m. So basically I'm not going to take any more trades. So at the moment I'm up 40 pips, those two trades are closed. So the first trade was on Euro CHF. As you see, I've entered on Euro CHF like 30 minutes after London Open. The first candle was, I thought, come on, you cannot do it to me. I thought it will break, will touch my my stop loss, and then will go down, because the opportunity that it will go short today was very high because of this huge move. Basically, this move, in this quite strong downtrend, for a person that understand that, well, it's better to short, that's a good move because a lot of buyers, for you as a seller, it's great. So you need to remember it. If you know that your bias is to short, a good seller will hope for a good buyer. So don't be afraid of these strong moves. You need to actually wait for them. They are the good stuff for you as a seller, and the opposite as well. All right. So again, 1-to-1, it was not a big trade in pips term, only like 70 pips, 70, 80, 18 pips. And yeah, well, actually it was good trade. The only the first candle, the first 30-minute candle was a candle that caused me to be a little bit emotional. And but starting from the next candle, it just dropped down and took my take profit, so it was great. Then my second trade was on Aussie CHF. Well, basically not the same, not the second. I took them the same time. Now, this trade was just perfect. It did exactly what I wanted, what I was expecting it to do. So again, on the high time frame, the same picture, a huge downtrend, no signs at all of a reversal. Yes, maybe tomorrow this huge move can be a continuation, and we will have a continuation to the up. But for now, for me, today, those buyers were the buyers that I had the opportunity to sell them something. All right, so this trade gave me 23 pips, so around 40 pips in profit closed. All right, now then I've took, oh look, Eurocad is doing great. I took Eurocad. As you see, it's not performing in a great way, but my stop loss is quite solid. We are at the moment, you see those dots, this is the 4-hour huge level of resistance. So my stop loss is slightly above, just a little bit, and yes, it's not performing that well, but basically I'm quite I'm quite sure about this trade. I'm not sure that it will hit my take profit, but I'm quite sure that it will not hit my stop loss as well. So I'm continuing to monitor this trade, and we will see what will happen. And of course, don't forget about the Instagram, because you will see the way this trade ended in the evening today on Instagram, and tomorrow we will have also on YouTube a conversation about it as well. And the other trade is CHF JPY. CHF JPY is going also well. So if we will take the overall, now I'm in profit of like 15, 55, and another 8, around 60 pips. If I will see if the closer to London close, I will see that I have maybe 80 pips, 70 pips, and those two trades are not closed yet. I will force the trade, and I will close them by myself. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about CHF-JPY. That's an interesting trade. Look, guys, we all know that the past time JPY pairs were very strong because the JPY was very weak. Many can say that it is over. I would not say so. The momentum is still there, and as you see, there is no sign at all at the moment that we have any sign of reversal. Actually, I really don't know in terms of this huge move where we can consider that it is a reversal. So for me particularly, if up until it's not breaking this higher low, I'm still bullish. If it will break the high, this level will move to here, and then in case that it will break down, then I will be bearish. So I think that we have a lot of time still to work with this pair, and overall with mostly of the Japanese yen pairs. So it will take time, but that's not my job. I'm not doing it. I just some ideas that I'm telling you. Most of the times, all I do is just trading. So intraday trading. The market is giving me some opportunity today. I will take it. If it will not, I will not take it. If the opportunities were good for me. If not, also good. Up until the my risk is not too high, and my losing trades are not that high as well. So at the moment, if we will take Friday minus 34 pips and today plus 4 pips, so I'm up 5 pips. If we will take also these gains that I have from EuroCAD, it's gone while I'm talking. All right, so here, that's doing great. So at the moment, I'm up 30 pips. So this is trading, guys. Remember, don't panic from one day. Don't panic from one trade. Don't panic from one candle. Try your best not doing so, because the impact of emotions will have a really serious bad, most of the times, results on your account. Whether you have 1 or 2 or 3, it doesn't really matter. The more you will took aside your emotions in trading, forex or futures or equities or cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter. Emotions, try to take them and put aside. If you will do this, probably you will succeed. I'm not telling you that it will happen tomorrow. I'm not telling you it will happen in 2 days, maybe not even in a month, maybe not even in half in a year, maybe not even in 1 year. But this is a long-term game. But if you will have the passion to it, if you will be able to calm down your emotions, eventually you will have a huge success. So thank you again. It was good to see you guys. I wish you the best. I wish you a good trading week, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.